Guys, and welcome to my channel. So into this video I'm going to do a little bit of clothes haul. I have a few clothes that I bought from Hidden Fashion, Pretty Little Thing, Boho. Yeah, so I'm going to like dress up, change and up and down, and then I'll show you how they look like. Just very simple outfits and just summer ideas. I hope you like this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below, and I'll be back to reply you. So this little top is from Hidden Fashion. It's about £3. You just wrap it around, and then I use this little shorts that I had. That's what I combined with it. Actually, they were my old shorts I had. They were like trousers, and I cut them off to make a short myself, and I think I like it so much. So the waist of this little shorts were a little bit bigger than me, and so I had to like alter it, like re-sew it to my size, and then it held my waist properly because I don't so much like wearing belt on like a jeans or something like this. And the top from Hidden Fashion was on sale. It's a size 8. I was doubting the size, but then I decided to go for an 8 since I'm a 10. But then I decided to size down, and then it fits perfectly. It looked really cute. Off shoulder is like bodysuit also from Hidden Fashion, but the original brand is Misguided. Also a size 8. I combined it with this little skirt, which I bought from I think also Wish. The size of the skirt is actually medium. Even though the waist is still bigger than me, I might have to sew it a little bit because I like my skirt and like short to like fit me tight in the middle, which make it look cute. So I will size it down a little bit. Little shirt, it came with like a skirt, it's like a cord. I bought it on Wish. And old trousers of mine that I have, so putting this little shirt on it make it look cute. So this little crop top is a size 8. I sewed the side of it so that it would take the shape of my side. Same with the trousers I'm wearing. When I bought it, it was quite big in the waist. I don't know why most of the dresses are big in the waist, so I sew it, hold it in so that it would take my shape. Black dress is from Boho, size UK 8. I normally wear a UK like 10, but some of the little dresses I like them to be like tight on me, so I like the size 8, which is stretchy, which will be like hold your body. So this is also another cute little black dress which I may be wearing so much in the summer. I like little light dresses, not tight. It's just free to walk in and look cute. It can be for any occasion really. Pretty Little Thing. It's like it's not a skirt, it's like a long dress. It has no hands. I don't know how to call it really. So this dress is without straps. I'm wearing my bra, that's what it's showing right now. So yeah, this is also from Pretty Little Thing. Very cute dress. So I decided to put this thin belt on it to see how it will look like. I might not wear it like that anyway, just putting it on to see how it look like. But then the back of it is a little bit of baggy, so the belt will make it look a little bit okay. It's a UK size 10. I did my makeup myself and my hair. I may be doing a video on the hair. I hope you like this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and I'll be back to reply you. Thank you so much for watching, guys.